Two players remain Heart Poppet and Simple Dimple after 3 months and 9 episodes. One of them will finally claim Squishy Island.
You better stop having that much squishies. Hey there, do you know they super glued me? And then I got to it. OMG, the squishy I was talking about. OMG, OMG, I love it. Some of our friends squishy for OMG, OMG. Yes, I have a friend. He's coming to season 2. Yeah. OMG, 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 OMG. What was that? It's Teddy Dad! OMG, it's you!
I wish I had a customer.
So, Red Dumpling, who do you want to win season 1? I want Simple Dimple to win.
Oh my tentacles! I'm big! Time for the grand reveal! Ah! What's going on? Gotta get the Squishy Island! This is why everyone hates you, Callum! What the air happened? You just murdered Butter!